Welcome to Legit Internet Income. Here we show you real ways to make money online. No fluff and no scams. Want to make extra cash? Use your coding skills. You can sell code snippets and tools online. Even beginners can make $100 or more per day. This isn't about being a coding genius, it's about solving problems. Many people need code but don't want to write it themselves. They'll happily pay for your solutions. This is your chance to turn your skills into a profitable side hustle. Ready to get started? Think about it. People are busy. They want solutions, not more work. They'd rather buy a pre-built tool than spend hours coding it themselves. That's where you come in. You're selling time and convenience. Your code solves a specific problem. This is valuable to others. Don't underestimate the power of a simple solution. First, find common coding problems. Think about your own work. What tasks do you repeat? What tools would make your life easier? Chances are others need them too. Next, build your solution. Keep it simple and user-friendly. Clear documentation is key. Explain how to use your code. This makes it easy for buyers. Now you need to sell it. Section 4. Platforms to sell your code right now. Several platforms cater to selling code. Popular options include Gumroad, Etsy, yes, really, and even dedicated marketplaces for code snippets. Choose the platform that fits your product best. Don't be afraid to get creative with your marketing. Share your code on relevant forums and social media groups. Offer free trials or discounts to attract customers. Section 5. How much can you really make? Pricing depends on the complexity of your product. Simple code snippets might go for $5 to $10. More advanced tools can command $50 or even $100 or more. The beauty of this business model is scalability. Create multiple products to increase your income. The more solutions you offer, the more money you can make. Section 6. Start small, scale big. Don't overthink it. Start with a small project. What's one problem you can solve today? Build that solution and get it out there. You'll learn as you go. What code will you sell? Share your ideas in the comments below. Let's help each other build successful code selling businesses.